See, if you've been on this channel since 2025, then this conversation we're about to have will not shock you. Because I mean, we had this exact discussion last year. Same season, same February, same abundance, same opportunity. Look, some of you listened while some of you didn't. Now we are here again. We are here again. Palm fruit is everywhere. Palm oil is in excess. And once again, this window is open. But this time, we're not speaking from theory, all right? We are speaking from experience because after last year's videos, I had people book one-on-one sessions with me. Some of them started really small, with 5 kegs. Some started with 1 drum. Some went bigger. And today, some of them are no longer trying. They are trading confidently. They understand pricing. They understand storage, right? They understand timing. Not necessarily because palm oil is magic, but because they position themselves correctly. So this video is not for noise. I'm not here to make noise. This video is for people who are serious, serious about doing business. Now, let me quickly address something clearly, okay? This is not my first time talking about palm oil. I mean, last year, 2025, I broke down why February matters, why scarcity months always change pricing, why patience is profit when it has to do with palm oil, why people miss agricultural cycles, and some people acted. Now, this year, we are not repeating ourselves, okay? We are building on that foundation because if you watched those videos and did nothing, this is your second chance, right? And if you watched it and executed, you already know what I'm about to say. Okay, so the question is, what is happening right now? What is this big deal about February? Let me break it down in very simple English, okay? Palm oil follows a cycle. There's a season when palm fruit is plenty. There's a season when palm fruit reduces. And right now, February, we are in abundance season. Palm fruits are everywhere. Mills are processing heavily. Supply is high. And anytime supply is high, what happens? I'm sure you're smart. Prices drop, right? And that's just basic economics. Now, this is not magic. This is not prediction. This is just agriculture cycle, okay? So this period, February, and even going into March, sometimes early April, is when smart traders buy and store. Not because they are guessing, but because they understand the pattern. Let me give you context here. Last year, around this same time, some people were very hesitant. They said, oh, better, don't worry, I will wait small. Oh, let me see how it goes. Maybe the prices will drop more. Some waited too long. And by the time scarcity season started creeping in, price had already adjusted. Then the messages started pouring in. Oh, better, I wish I had just bought it that time. I didn't know it would move like this. So, I should have known, I could have known. Look, the ones that moved early, they were calm. Because when you buy during abundance, you are not emotional when scarcity comes. You are very strategic because you already know how to position yourself, right? Now, let me just share something important from people that I coached last year. I noticed something. Look, the ones who succeeded were not the richest. They were the most patient, okay? They didn't rush to overspend money. Oh, I get money, make I spend. They didn't panic when the prices fluctuated slightly because it did. They stored properly. They understood their target market. And most importantly, they treated it like a business, not a gamble. And that's the difference. Some of you don't, better said there's oil everywhere now, let me get into it. You don't even make your research. You don't even ask questions. You just, bam, you want to buy palm oil. Alpha. Look, this year is different, okay? And I'm going to explain to you why I feel like this year, 2026, is even more important. Number one, the cost of living is higher, okay? People are more financially stretched. More people are looking for stable side income. So when a predictable seasonal opportunity presents itself, you cannot afford to ignore it, okay? Not because it will make you a millionaire overnight. I don't preach that. But because it is structured. And structured income builds confidence, all right? And I'm sure you're asking yourself, why am I even listening to her? Look, let's address this directly. You're listening to me because I have studied the cycle. I've worked with people who have entered the market. I've seen mistakes firsthand, and I've also seen wins firsthand, okay? So this is not, oh, I heard this somewhere, they told me. This is applied experience. And if you have been here since last year, you already know I don't hype businesses. I break them down. Now, listen carefully here. This video is not saying, go and buy today without thinking. No, that's not what Becca is saying. This video is saying, I need you to understand that this is positioning season. There's a difference. Positioning season is when you study the prices, when you check for suppliers, when you verify quality, when you prepare storage, calculate your transport. Because when scarcity begins, preparation time is over, okay? It is over. And even after last year's results, some people will still miss it this year. Why? Because execution requires discomfort. It requires you committing capital. It requires you being patient, thinking months ahead, not touching the money you want to flip too quickly. Most people struggle with delayed gratification, but agriculture rewards delayed gratification. It does. And one question you should be asking is, who is this really for? Look, in my opinion, I feel like if you're a salary earner and you have been looking for something stable to put your money into, then this is for you. And if you live in the diaspora, you just want something tangible back home, it's also for you. Now, if you're someone who is tired of always saying, oh, money no day, money is tight, this is also for you. But if you're looking for overnight doubling of money, looking to flip your money, get 2 weeks return, people who refuse to learn before acting, then you have no business with this video, okay? Look, palm oil rewards patience. Now, I need to actually say this so that nobody misquotes me. Palm oil business is not zero risk. It is not, okay? Transportation can affect your costs. Storage must be done properly. Quality matters, okay? But when you understand what you're doing, you reduce unnecessary mistakes. You do. And that's why education matters before you execute anything. You need to learn about the trade, learn about the business before you go on ahead to, splurge your money into it, okay? Now, let me say this clearly. Don't just carry your money and go and rush and buy because, oh, palm oil is cheap. Oh, it's really cheap now. Palm oil is everywhere. Oh, let me put my money. That's not wisdom. Before you buy, you must understand where you are buying from. Where are you getting the palm oil from? You must understand how you are transporting it. Where are you storing it? Who will likely buy from you during scarcity? Look, buying cheap is easy, but selling smart, that's actually where the profit lives. Okay, I said before that February is a window. So think of it like this. Windows don't stay open forever. Now, by the time we get to the peak scarcity months, the same palm oil people are ignoring now will suddenly become gold. And that's the funny thing. It's the same oil. Nothing changed. Only timing changed. That's why I always say that opportunities don't disappear. They rotate. They always rotate. And when you miss it sometimes, it's just really difficult getting it back. And I need your 2026 mindset to change, all right? 2026 should not be the year anybody is saying, oh, I really don't know what to do. Oh, look, information is everywhere. Information is everywhere. The difference now is execution. If agriculture is already giving you a very predictable cycle, use it. If business has a pattern, just study it. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Oh, I must have this amount. This is the amount I must start with. You need to start where you are. Start with what you have. This is something I've been preaching since God knows how long. Like, it's frustrating when you are telling people to just start and they're still telling you, oh, you wish nothing. Now, poverty, they wish yourself like that. Poverty. So the question is, what should you do now? See, right now, February, I need you to study the market. I need you to ask questions. I need you to check prices in your location, compare transport costs, understand storage. I made tons and tons of videos about palm oil last year. So I don't want you to just hear cheap and then you move blindly. I need you to move intelligently. Okay, look, in the next video, I'm going to break things down practically. How much you realistically need to start, the mistakes beginners make, how to avoid buying adulterated oil, and just how to think long-term about this business, because buying is one thing, but buying correctly is another thing. It's really important. Now, before I end this video, I know some of you already have questions, questions forming in your head. Oh, where exactly should I buy from? How do I know good palm oil? How much should I start with? Is storage risky? Is it too late? Is it too late? Look, like I said earlier, I made videos about this in details last year. I'm going to try to link it up here for you guys or in the description of this video. So make sure to check it out, watch it, and listen to the things that I had to say then, right? But if you know that that's not going to work for you, I also offer a structured one-on-one consultation session. In these sessions, we actually look at your budget, we look at your location, we look at your risk level, your goal, storage, trading, or, full business. And we build a plan around you. not the generic advice, just practical direction. Okay, so if you're serious about entering the palm oil business this season, whether to store and then sell during scarcity or to build long term, you can book a session with me by sending me an email on the email address you can find on your screen right now, or you send me a DM on Instagram at Austin Betha. Okay, look, I need us to remove confusion and just move with a lot of clarity this year. Okay, February is here already. Palm oil is in excess. The question is not whether or not the prices will change. The question is whether you will position yourself before it does. Now, don't be that person who says, oh, if only I knew. Oh, had I known, had I known. Had I known, had I known, not they do anything. Be the person who actually says, I prepared and I gave it my best. Okay? I'll see you in part 2.